now.
7 people are lucky to be alive this midday after a fire rips through their Sapulpa home. Good morning and thanks for choosing 2 News Midday. I'm Libby Bobian. The family is now searching for a way forward after that fire gutted their home just 2 weeks before Christmas. 2 News anchor Max Resnick spoke with them and is live outside their home with this update to breaking news. Max.
I just learned from Sapulpa fire officials within the last 45 minutes that this is likely an electrical fire. What we do know for certain is that all 7 people who were inside this home behind me made it out safely. They are okay this morning. Let's take a look at the video when we arrived on the scene just after 8 o'clock this morning. Fire crews working to put out hot spots inside this home. A battalion chief tells us they responded shortly after 7 this morning. When they arrived, they determined the fire started in the upstairs portion of the home. Inside the home, Ashley Tolbert and 6 others. She says they all made it out thanks to her father, who alerted them to the flames. Tolbert's family moved to this land 50 years ago. Today, she says the family lost so many things belonging to her stepmother, and that may be the toughest part of today's fire.
Everything we own is in the house, and we lost our mom about a year and a half ago, and all her stuff is just gone. I don't know a house. I don't know what to do.
Ashley says her family really doesn't have anywhere else to go because they simply can't afford to just pick up and move. The Red Cross is here right now assisting the Tolbert family. The battalion chief tells me there is heavy damage to this home, though he wouldn't call it a total loss. Live in Sapulpa, Max Resnick, 2 News Works for you.